How to get started with affiliate marketing. You've all heard of affiliate marketing, but how many of you have actually looked at it seriously and considered it as a great source to make some serious money? We've heard all the excuses, it looks too complicated, how do I grow from nothing, and where do I buy the stuff from? Don't panic, in this video we'll show you how to start and grow a great affiliate marketing strategy. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. Even if you have an existing business, affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to add an existing income stream to your business. Affiliate marketing allows you to make money online even if you don't have a blog, website or any products of your own. And by following a few simple steps, you can get up and running within hours and earning your first commissions right away. Affiliate marketing really is one of the fastest and easiest ways to make money online. If you follow simple formula for affiliate marketing, then you shouldn't go wrong. Your aim is to build traffic to the merchant's website via your unique affiliate link. If you don't have any money, you can get started by finding ways to get free traffic to your website, including blogging, guest posting on other websites, and posting to social media sites like Facebook and Instagram, etc. If you have a budget, then you can drive traffic even faster with paid advertising methods, such as paid ads on Facebook, running banner ads on other websites, and using Google AdWords. Free traffic is great because obviously it's free. But once you have enough money, start using paid ads to grow your business even quicker. Writing a good ad is an important skill for online marketeers. The good news is when it comes to affiliate marketing, many vendors will provide you with advertising copy for you to use on your blogs, website and ads, etc. Some will even give you emails to send out, the banner ads to display and even posts you can use on social media. The more material that vendors give their affiliates, then the better the chances are that an affiliate has to make sales for them, so it's a win-win situation. However, there are some essential steps for affiliate marketing success. First, you need to choose the right affiliate network. The easiest way to begin with affiliate marketing is to select an affiliate network. Many networks exist, some of which we've tried and are well-known companies like Amazon, Google and Apple, while others specialise in specific types and products and services. You've probably heard of ClickBank, one of the most popular affiliate networks. ClickBank specialises in digital products like ebooks and software, as well as membership sites. If you haven't considered selling digital information products, then you should seriously consider doing so. Digital information products offer much higher commissions, anywhere between 10 and 75% even, and is much higher than physical products, which usually only offer commission of around 5%. Also, digital information products can be easier to sell in many cases because people can get instant access and immediate gratification when purchasing a digital information product. Another network you should consider when it comes to promoting products as an affiliate is Amazon.com. Just about any physical product can be sold on Amazon. Though products on Amazon generally offer lower commissions than sites like ClickBank, selling products on Amazon as an affiliate can give you a much higher volume, and most people trust Amazon as a merchant, making it easier to sell products as an affiliate. You may be able to work with a company or individual directly as an affiliate, rather than going through a network. Entrepreneurs and companies may run their own affiliate programs, and you can apply directly to them to promote their products and services. If you see a product that you really like to promote as an affiliate and the company doesn't offer a formal affiliate program, you can always get in touch with them and work out a deal. Research and select the right affiliate products. A product strategy is a must for new affiliate marketeers. Ideally, it's worth choosing a niche that you can make money online with and has a lot of product vendors. This will give you credibility to your online community. Limit yourself to 2 or 3 products at a time. This will allow you to really become an expert on the products that you are promoting, which can be helpful when it comes to marketing those products. As you become comfortable with the affiliate marketing process, you can consider both specialist and broad niches. Don't forget though to track your marketing metrics. They are usually provided by the merchant and or affiliate network. Tracking your metrics will allow you to see what is working and generating sales and what's not working. You'll be able to know which products your audience is responding to and which ones aren't generating any profit for your business. This is especially important if you are investing in paid advertising to drive traffic and promote products as an affiliate. You need to know which campaigns are profitable and which ones are losing you money. Consider buying a product before promoting it. It goes without saying that actually owning and using a product is a huge plus for establishing credibility and trust. You're obviously not obliged to purchase every product you want to promote. However, intimate knowledge of a product can mean the difference between making a sale or having prospects move elsewhere. Writing product review are an excellent way to enhance your credibility as an affiliate marketeer. This is especially easy with information products like ebooks, which are relatively inexpensive. After establishing some steady income, it may be worth you buying higher end products, providing you get in touch with the product creator to work out a strategic marketing plan that takes you to the next level. If you actually use the product and get results with it, then sharing a case study or your own personal experience can be one of the most effective ways of selling those products to your audience. In some cases, merchants might be happy to offer you a free copy or sample of the product, especially if you have an established business. It never hurts to ask. You'll need to give full disclosure that you were provided complimentary access to the products, in addition to having a disclaimer disclosing your affiliate relationship. Utilize social media marketing to get more traffic. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Pinterest, and other social media marketing methods are great vehicles for word of mouth or viral marketing. Video marketing in particular is a great way to demonstrate your expertise via commentary, screenshots, and live demonstrations if applicable. At the time of making this video, making videos on Facebook and Facebook Live are extremely effective, as well as utilizing YouTube for the more longer term approach to video marketing. While at first you may be focused on using social media as a free way to get traffic, keep in mind that there are powerful ways to use paid advertising on social media to reach your targeted audience and drive that traffic back to your site or to your affiliate offers. Consider using redirect or short links. Long and ugly affiliate tracking links are a straight giveaway to people that you want to sell them a product, or people may be uncomfortable clicking on them. Therefore, making your link shorter will give it a more professional approach. There are several sites where you can make a link much shorter, more friendly, and easier to type if they can't click the link and they want to type it into their browser. The bottom line on getting started with affiliate marketing: whether you're starting a new business from scratch or already have an existing business offline or online, affiliate marketing is a great way to generate income. All you have to do is recommend relevant products or services to your audience, and the vendor or the product of your promoting handles everything, including product creation, handling of sales, customer service, and refunds, etc. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to just get started and continue learning new tips and tricks as you continue to grow your affiliate business. Keep an eye out for more videos about affiliate marketing in the coming months here at Business with Joe. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.